Okay. Catalonia, which includes Barcelona, has long been a part of Spain, but its peaceful residents increasingly talk about being an independent country again. In the elections over this past weekend, where independence was one of the most discussed campaign issues, a majority of offices were won by parties that support more Catalan independence in one form or another. This for the first time in history. An independent Catalonia would reinforce a worldwide trend. The number of countries has grown since World War II, especially since 1990. In most cases, many citizens of the parts wanted independence from the larger whole. The large countries were often divided by language or ethnicity, and were often held together by non-democratic leadership. The new independent countries emerged as democracy took hold, or shortly thereafter. Catalonia has its own language, Catalan, and a long history. Under Franco, Spain suppressed many Catalan institutions. New generations have been learning Catalan, however, and that may be the tipping point towards independence. A small nation can be established peacefully and may prove to have long-term benefits.